Everything happened in the gallery, reminiscences of a time past under the trees. In a neighborhood near the civic area of Fernando de la Mora, a consecutive city to Asunción, a vacant plot of land measuring 50 m x 23 m with mature trees casts precious shadows over the site. Fully opening the enclosures of the central courtyard completes the integration of the garden with the home. Upstairs, the more introverted spaces remain connected to the tree, enjoying the views, natural light, and breezes. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.
Breathe.